የአዲስ ቅኝት ሬዲዮና ቴሌቪዥን ነው።
ጤና ይስጥልኝ ስምዖን እንኳን ደህና መጣ። ይህ የአዲስ ቅኝት ቴሌቪዥን የህይወት በካናዳ መሰናዷችን ነው። እንግዲህ ዛሬ አንድ ወጣት ስፖርተኛ ወደ አዲስ ቅኝት የህይወት በካናዳ መሰናዶ ጋብዘናል። ይህ የምታዩት ከፊት ለፊቴ ስምዖን አስጨናቂ ይባላል። ስምዖን አስጨናቂ በፉትቦል ወይም ኢትዮጵያውያን ፉትቦል በሚለው አይደለም የሚያውቁት፣ የአሜሪካን ፉትቦል በሚባለው ጨዋታ በጣም ውጤታማ የሆነ ወጣት ነው። እንዴት ወደዚህ ስፖርት መጣ፣ ምን አይነት ውጤት አገኘ፣ የወደፊት ህልሙ ምን ይመስላል በሚሉ ጉዳዮች ላይ ከስምዖን ጋር ቆይታ እናደርጋለን። ስምዖን በቅርቡ በኦንታሪዮ ኪችነር ዋተርሉ በዋተርሉ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ስኮላርሺፕ አግኝቷል እና እንግዲህ የወደፊት ህይወቱ ከፉትቦል ስፖርት ጋር የተያያዘ ነው ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ዝርዝር ጉዳዮቹን ከስምዖን ጋር እናያለን። በቅድሚያ ይሄንን ቪዲዮ አይተን እንመለሳለን።
Welcome, everybody. Thanks so much for everybody being here. Obviously, Simone's family, friends, teammates, the St. Mary Eagles high school community. It's a big day here for Simone. We're super excited that he's joining our football program at the University of Waterloo and obviously pursuing his future education at the University of Waterloo as well. So congratulations, Simone. Let's sit down and get to business. I'd like to say this. He's already been out, working with the team, multiple times a week, showing great initiative and wanting to be a part of the program and putting his best foot forward. So hard work does pay off. So congratulations, Simone. All right. You are going to sign here, hometown, student athlete. Well, just like that. Congratulations, Simone.
Just like that, you signed your contract, right?
Yeah.
Tell us about what does it feel to sign your scholarship for the next, few years?
Yeah. So feeling it was a big dream for me. Lijonye, class when I started playing football. Main much Arashagolu. Yeah, university sign ለማድረግ ነው እና ይሄ ትልቅ ነገር ነው። አሁን ከዩኒቨርሲቲ በኋላ ትልቅ ነገር it's a big step forward for me in my life, and I think I'm just proud for myself because I worked hard.
Yeah.
Sign, and I think in the next 4 years ብዙ ነገር ነው የምሰራ። I'll be ጥሩ ነው የምሆነው።
በጣም ደስ ይላል። አይ ሆፕ እኛም ሁላችንም እናምናለን ብዙ ነገር እንደምትሰራ። አሰልጣኞች፣ መምህራኖች፣ አባት፣ እናት ሁሉ ሃርድ ወርኪንግ እንደሆንክ ጎበዝ እንደሆንክ ይመሰክራሉ። this is the fruit we can witness your hard working እና እስቲ ንገረኝ ስምዖን፣ እንዴት የፉትቦል ስፖርትን ልትመርጥ ቻልክ? የእናንተ ቤተሰብ የሚወደው ሶከር ነው። በሀገራችን ፉትቦል የምንለው ሶከር ነው። አንተ እንዴት ነው ወደ ፉትቦል ስፖርት ያዘነበርክ የገባኸው?
እኔ አሁን ልጅ ሆኜ ሁሉ ስፖርት ሞክር ያለው ከሆኪ፣ ቤስቦል፣ ቮሊቦል፣ ፉትቦል፣ ሶከር እና ሁሉ ነገር ስሞክር ኳስ ፉትቦል አሜሪካን ፉትቦል ነው በጣም like passion. I felt a passion when I played. I felt really good. So ከአባቴጋ እናቴጋ ሳውራ ይሄ ነው በጣም የምፈልገው እና ኃይለኛ መሆንበት የምችለው ይሄ ስፖርት ላይ ነው አሜሪካን ፉትቦል እና ልክ ከ2015 ጀምሮ እስከ አሁን almost 10 years I've been playing, and I felt I'm doing really good. ከኳስም ሆኜ ሁሌ አባቴ ኳስ ተጫወት ሲል እኔ ነው ፉትቦል ነው በጣም የምችለው እና የምወደው ነው
ብለህ በራስህ ፍላጎት ነው የገባው። ግን who inspired you to become a football player at the beginning?
I think just it wasn't a person who inspired me. It was like the discipline playing football. You have to be really make sure you work out, you watch what you're eating every day. So that's like the main. It's a good routine to have, and I really liked it.
I mean, every sport has that discipline. You have to be, hardworking to be successful sportsman. But what's different in football?
I think it's just the amount of energy you put in.
Yeah.
But I'm high ስጫወት that really, like, from every sport it just felt different, and I think it was like that's what gave me the power to play more, and like the better feeling.
Interesting. So you sense this when you are very young. At what age you discovered that feeling?
Yeah, I think around when I was like 10 years old, I started getting, like, once everyone started getting older, you started playing harder, like more magacha na barabat.
Yes.
So I seen that, like, I think like I could start to be really good at this. So when I started playing every year, in high school Sagaba, it was totally different game, because it's everyone's big, everyone's strong, fast.
Yeah.
So you have to try your best and be stronger and faster than everyone else around you.
The paradox is, most Ethiopians, like me, like your dad, is, we are short and, tiny. And let alone for American football, we are not fit for, even soccer. Because we are naturally we are like this. So how could this happen? This is a miracle.
Yeah, I don't know. It's just, I guess also, like, right when I got into high school, I was really short. I was like around like 5'8", 5'9", and then I think after like 1-2 years, I grew like 6'1", 6'2", really fast, and now I'm like 6'3". So I'm going up more, I hope.
Wow. Now, how old are you now? This
17. I'm 17 now. Yeah.
Wow. So you will continue growing,
Yeah.
And how much is your weight now?
Around like 290 pounds. Yeah.
Wow. When I see American football sometimes, but በቴሌቪዥን ሳይ በጣም ብዙ ኃይል ያለው ጨዋታ ነው። ብዙ ግፊያ ያለው ነው። ይሄ ብረቱ ምን ሁሉ በጣም ያስፈራልና ሜዳ ውስጥ ገብተህ ስትጫወት ምን አይነት ፊሊንግ ነው ያለው? አንዳንድ ጊዜ አትፈራም? ለሰውነት ልጎዳ እችላለሁ የሚለው ስሜት የለም?
Yeah, and I mean, አንዳንዴ like ከጌም በፊት አንዳንድ like mid game ውስጥ you feel nervous, but look whistle blow ሲያደርጉት አንደኛ after the first hit, you feel calm, you're confident, you feel good. It's just before the game ውስጥ ሳይጀምር ነው mainly you feel nervous. That's the main
ከጀመረ በኋላ ግን በቃ
it's easy, it's fun.
ታውቃለህ አይደለ? ኢትዮጵያውያን በጣም ጀግኖች አርበኞች እንደሆኑ ታውቃለህ? እና when I read books about our past history, በጣሊያን ወረራ ጊዜ ጥይት ሲተኮስ እንዳልከው የመጀመሪያው ጥይት ነው በቃ ሽው ሲል ከዛ በኋላ በቃ ይረሱታል። It has that same feeling, I hope.
Yeah.
እና የተለያየ ደረጃ ላይ ስትጫወት ውጤት ማምጣት ቻልክ በሃይ ስኩል። አሁን ስኮላርሺፑን ከማግኘት በፊት በትምህርት ቤቶች መካከል ጨዋታ አለ አይደለ? ውጤቱ ምን ይመስል ነበረ? እድገትህ ምን ይመስል ነበረ through the years?
So ለኔ it was really like ከቲሙ ጋር ነው አሁን። So look, grade 9 ሆኜ በጣም ቲማችን like ግማሽ it was ሁሉ ልጆች ስለነበረ, we were all kids, we were still learning, maybe nervous, first year ስለሆነ, so ሶስትና ሶስት ሄደን 3 ጊዜ አሸነፈን፣ 3 ጊዜ ተሸነፈን። እንደዛ ነው like ወደ ላይ የምንሄደው። and then ከዛ በኋላ አሁን this year አሁን የተጫወተው ቻምፒየንሺፑ ገባን, but በትንሽ ነው የተሸነፈን። so ያ ነው ሜኑ።
ከማጋ ነበር የተጫወታችሁት? የእናንተ ቲም ባይ ዘ ዌይ የሚባለው ዋሪየርስ ነው አይደለ?
ኖ ይሄ የስኩል ነው። እዚህ አሁን ሁለት ሊግ አለ፣ የትምህርት እና ከትምህርት ውጪ ሬፕ የሚባለው።
እሺ።
so የኛ የትምህርቴ ሴንት ሜሪስ ኢግልስ ነው የሚባሉት፣ እና የውጪ ኬምብሪጅ ላየንስ። and then አሁን ትምህርቴ ሴንት ሜሪ ሃይ ስኩል ነው። ከሃይ ስኩል በኋላ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኦፍ ዋተርሉ ነው መጋባ። so ለነሱ ነው የምጫወተው።
ምን ይባላል የዩኒቨርሲቲ ኦፍ ዋተርሉ ፉትቦል ቲም? What's the name?
Waterloo Warriors.
Waterloo Warriors.
Oh.
So now you officially joined. You already signed the agreement, right?
Yeah.
ስለዚህ 4 ዓመት ዩኒቨርሲቲ ስትቆይ ትጫወታለህ ማለት ነው እነሱ።
Yeah.
So what opportunity does it bring you? ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኦፍ ዋተርሉ ስትጫወት ምንድነው ያለው እድል?
Main new opportunity is just በጣም like ራሴ grow ለማድረግ because እነሱ አሁን ብዙ workout plan, they put us through ብዙ training camp, especially class ትምህርቱ ራሱ በጣም ጥሩ ነው። So በጣም ብዙ like academic ጥሩ ነው ለacademic. And after doing that for 4 years, I think በጣም ጥሩ ሰው መሆን I'm going to be a really good person. Yeah. And like it's a better, more disciplined, but I mean የነሱ ነገር discipline ነው. So you have to be more disciplined, and I think ከዛ በኋላ maybe prepare ያደርገኛል CFL, NFL መግባት ያለው።
Yeah. This is በእውነት በጣም ነው ያኮራሃን ስምዖን። በአንተ እድሜ ላሉ ልጆች፣ ወጣት ለሆኑ ልጆች ጠንክሮ መስራት፣ የሚወዱትን ነገር ለውጤት መብቃት፣ ሰክሲድ ማድረግ ታስተምራቸዋለህ፣ ምሳሌ ትሆናለህ። you are an example for our kids. እና do you have a chance to talk to your friends, Ethiopians or non-Ethiopians, in Waterloo or in anywhere in Canada? I mean, about your experience.
Yeah, and I just think if you start something, just like, but do it but be fully confident in what you're doing. Don't go in it like, oh, nervous. Just do it confidently and like don't be scared. Like there's no, the worst case is it doesn't go well. That's not like, you can just do it again. It's don't be scared. Everything's going to be good.
Interesting. በጣም የሚገርም ነው። አንተ ወጣት ነህ እንግዲህ ገና 17 ዓመትህ ነውና ወጣትነትን እንዴት ነው የምትረዳው? ምንድነው ወጣትነት መሆን ላንተ የሚሰጥህ ትርጉም?
I think it's just like on ከሌላ ልጆች ጋር ስጫወት on Waterloo on practice አለ early 5 a.m. ላይ ምንነሳ practice ምናምን አለ እና it's ሁሉ ሰው ከኔ አሁን ከነሱ ጋር መጫወተው እነሱ ከኔ 4 ዓመት ነው የሚባልጡኝ አሁን አንዳንዶቹ 3-4 years they're older than me, but confidence ስለሆነው it's just like they look at me as like የነሱ ወንድም, like it's just confidence. You have to have confidence to be able to play and to be able to talk with everyone else who's with you.
I mean, ወጣት ስትሆን when you are young, there are so many challenges that comes naturally, and that leads you to do unnecessary things. Yeah. So how do you cope up those challenges as
I just think like staying near the right people. So like everyone who wants to be so everyone around you, like if they're all playing sports, if they're playing, maybe if they're doing anything good, just like stay around them. You don't want to be around the people who are not doing good. If they're not playing sports, if they're not being good in school, doing good things out of school, you don't want to be around that because like you're going to start following them, and that'll be really like, that's not really a good thing to be around. So like you have to surround yourself with good people and you'll do good yourself.
Interesting. That's very interesting. And እንግዲህ በወጣትነት ይሄንን ስፖርት ስትቀላቀል it's not easy. በአማርኛ ምን የሚባል ነገር አለ? there is a saying in Amharic, አልጋ ባልጋ አይደለም, it's not, the road is not comfortable, so there are challenges. What are your main challenges so far?
I think like I'll say Yana Bahrain challenge because it's still I'm going through, but it's mainly just staying like not seeing buzu so like andane, so like buzu habasha alayim. It's hard being like the one, like you don't see any other habashas when you're playing, so like you don't really have confidence saying like, oh, like you can't go talk to like one of your friends when you're playing, so you just have to either stay by yourself and just focus. That's like the main thing.
Yeah.
And
Interesting. I mean, you don't see your own,
Yeah.
in the sport because
Yeah.
but sometimes that could be worse. There are
Mhm.
some challenges from outside as well, like
Yeah.
in many sports, in hockey, even in soccer in Europe, there are
Yeah.
other challenges. So how do you make yourself ready to face?
It's just like you have to, when you feel like you're going to be in a challenge, you just want to go straight through it. Like you want to be confident. You don't want to be, you don't want to go in nervous, because that's when like you're going to fail if you don't go in it with like a high, good mindset. So like I think whenever I go through a challenge, I keep a good mindset. I stay positive. I don't want to think of like the negative, or that's like a big, it'll set you back a lot.
Interesting. Let's come to family. I mean, this is not something that we see in many Ethiopian Canadian families. People, our children can play soccer or basketball, but football is unusual. So, what's the response from your parents, your dad, your mom, and your brothers?
Yeah. So I think at the start they didn't really know it. So it was like um they were a bit confused, I'd say, saying like, okay, why do you want to play this game? Like a little bit. And then when they started coming to the games, and on game ሲመጡ ልጅ ሆኜ, they were like, like አልወደዱትም. They were ፈሩልኝ, because ስንጋጭ ምናምን maybe
Yes.
አንዳንድ ልጆች ይጎዳሉ እና like በጣም እናቴም especially በጣም ፈራችልኝ። so እንደዛ ሆኖ ትንሽ ወር አልፎ አሁን ሃይ ስኩል ገብቼ በጣም ኃይለኛ ስንጋጭ አባቴም አሁን ጌም ሲመጣ like ይጸልያሉ ክራውድ ውስጥ በጣም ስንጋጭ። so it's funny, but it's like it's real. Like እኔም አሁን ልጅ ካለኝ እና ፉትቦል ከተጫወተም ነርቨስ ሆናለሁ, but I know ጥሩ ትሬን ካረገ ዲስፕሊን ካለው ቴክኒኩ ሁሉ ነገር ጥሩ ከሆነ he'll be fine on the field. So እንደዛ ነው አሁን ያውቃሉ that I know what I'm doing. I'm not in danger. I'm good. I know what I'm doing. I'm playing safe.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
ኢንትረስቲንግ። በጣም ከባድ ነው እንዳልከው፣ እናት ሆኖ አባት ሆኖ በጣም ከባድ ግጭት ያለበት ቦታ ልጄ ሊሞት ነው ሁሉ ብሎ ሊያስቡ ይችላሉ። ግን ደግሞ at the same time እያደግክ ስትመጣ በጣም ደስ እንደሚላቸው አውቃለሁ እና አባትህ ደግሞ ስፖርት ይወዳል፣ ሶከር ይወዳል እና ከጎንህ እንደሚሆን ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። እስቲ tell me about him,
I know, yeah. So እሱ አሁን ሁሉ ልጅ ሆኜም ኳስ ነው የሚያሰለጥ ነው። so ከሱ ጋር ኳስ ምናምን ስጫወት ያውቃል። and then ፉትቦል ጀምሬ so like ትንሽ he was like iffy at the start, but then ስጀምር በኋላ ጥሩ እንደዚህ ትሮፊ ምናምን ሳመጣ ቤት ውስጥ he's like በጣም proud ሆነ እና it kept him like happy, like fuel ሰጠው happy እንዲሆን እና maybe አንዳንዴም like ከትምህርት ጋር ይማታል, but still like it's discipline ስላለኝ he knows that any challenge የነበረ I'll fix it እና like በጣም discipline ሰጠኝ football, so it's really it was a good thing.
ይገርማል በጣም። አሁን ስለ አባትህም ያሰለጥናል እዛ ኪችን ያሉ ኢትዮጵያውያን ልጆች እና ሶከር ሁሉም ስፖርት ዲሲፕሊን አለው፣ ግን what's special about football?
American football? It's because like the special thing is that you build like ትልቅ connection አለው with all your teammates. It's like you have to be, if your whole team disciplined ካልሆኑ and like if your whole team isn't like, it's like brotherhood, it's like a family. Your team's a family in the sport. So on what about so what the people I play with on like one dem nacho. So I have to treat them like they have to trust me and I have to trust them. That's like the main aspect. So like if I don't, like it felt good having like people behind me, like my teammates and especially family. That's what gave me like the special feeling.
That's very interesting. And football is one of the big sports that brings you all fortune, I think. So is it are you dreaming to become one of the the biggest players?
Yeah. I mean, that's the hope. I want to try and make it as far as I can.
Yeah.
So if I can do that, that'll be like the best case possible.
ምን ያህል ነው የሚከፈለው? አሁን በጣም ትልቁ ተጫዋች ማን ነው በፉትቦል ያለው በጣም ታዋቂ?
በጣም ብዙ አሉ። አሁን ኒው ሳን የሆኑ ሰዎች ብዙ ሚሊየንስ ነው የሚከፈሉት። በእኔ like ብሩም አለ በእኔ መወደው really ስጫወት ነው በጣም መወደው. So as long as I can play, I'll be happy. That's like
interesting. I mean, ያ እኮ ነው ጥሩነቱ። ጨዋታውን የምትወደው ከሆነ የሚያዩ ይወዱሃል፣ ይደሰታሉ. Then it keeps you going, I hope.
Yeah. Buru is just like a extra fuel, but playing is the main fun part.
Amazing. Wow. That is really amazing. And so tell me about your future. So what's your plan? Where do you want to see yourself, in 5 years or in 10 years?
Yeah. So I think University Bohala, I hope maybe CFL, NFL coach ምናምን ያዩኛል እና ከዛ ሳይን ያደርጉኛል ከትምህርት በኋላ and then መጫወት እችላለሁ and live the dream, I guess, playing.
How do they select you? They come to your games?
So ለዩኒቨርሲቲው
Yeah.
like high school ጌሞች I think maybe አንድ ሁለት ዓመት ያዩኝ ነበረ እና ብዙ like አሁን የወተርሉ ሌላ ትምህርቶችም ነበሩ. There was other schools and from all the schools ያዩኝ and I chose Waterloo and it's like they come to my game አሁን ክሊፖች እልካለሁ ለነሱ እና ሲያዩት እሺ እንፈልግካን like we want you, we don't want you ይላሉ and then list ነበረኝ and then I picked ከሊስቱ Waterloo ቤት እዚህ hometown. Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting. What do you want to study in your academy?
Yeah, so I picked sports and sports business.
Oh, sports business.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. So you want to continue in this
Yeah.
field? That's በጣም አስገራሚ ነው። ኢትዮጵያን ታውቃለህ አይደለም? ኢትዮጵያ ሄደሃል ታውቃታለህ በደንብ?
ሄጃለሁ።
ሄዳል። ምንድን እስቲ ንገረኝ ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ያለህን መረዳት እስቲ ንገረኝ። ኢትዮጵያ እንዴት ነው የምትረዳት?
በጣም ነው የሚያምረው. It's really አሁን I think ሶስት ወርም አልሆነም ሁለት ወር ሁለት ዓመት ሁለት ዓመት ሆኖ ነው ያሄደውት በጣም ያምራል። እኔ ሰዎቹ ምግቡ ምንጫወትበት ቦታ በጣም ያምራል ስሄድ ከተማ ማየት ምናምን
ኢንትረስቲንግ። ምግቡ ግን ለአንተ የሚሆን አይመስለኝም። እንደዚህ አሁን ፊት የሚያደርግ አይመስለኝም።
ይሆናል ብዙ አንዳንድ ቦታ
ምን አይነት ምግብ ነው? አመጋገብ ምን አይነት ነው? ለምሳሌ እንጀራ በልተህ መቼም እንደዚህ ፊት ልትሆን አትችልም። እንጀራ
ነው በጣም እንጀራ ጥብስ ሁሉ ነው ጥሩ ነው እዛ is good.
ማንን ነው የምትወደው? ጎብኝተሃል? ሂስቶሪካል ቦታዎችን ናቹራል ዴስቲኔሽኖችን ሄዳ አይተሃል?
እዛ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ?
in Ethiopia,
yeah I think ልጅ ሆኜ አሁን የሄደውት ጊዜ አይደለም በልጅ ሆኜ ሩቅ ስሙ አዋሳ ሄጃለሁ።
ሬፍት ቫሊን አይተሃል ማለት ነው? ሬፍት ቫሊን
አይተሃል? እዛ በመኪና ሄደን እና አሁን የሄደውት ጊዜ ትልቅ ዋተር ፓርኩ ቦታ
ዋተር ፓርክ አዲስ አበባ ነው ያየኸው?
ከአዲስ አበባ ውጪ ነው መሰለኝ።
ውጪ? ኦኬ። ደብረ ዘይት ምናልባት?
ደብረ ዘይት ሄጃለሁ። እዛ ከተማው ያያን
በጣም ደስ ይላል። ስለ ካናዳ ምንድን ነው የምትወደው? አሁን እንግዲህ ሁለት ሀገር አለ። ብዙ ጊዜ የዋለ ሰከንድ ጀነሬሽን ኢትዮ ካናዲያን ሁለቱ ካልቸር ውስጥ መኖር ምንድን ነው የሚሰጠው ትርጉም? እና አሁን ናው you are a big guy ነገ ሪፕሬዘንት የምታደርገው ሁለት ካልቸር ነው።
I think እዚህ ያለው like አሁን ጥሩ ነው cuz ብዙ ሀበሾች ስላሉ አሁን maybe ቤተክርስቲያን ሲሄድ even አሁን ትምህርት ሲሄድ ብዙ ሀበሾች ጓደኞች አሉኝ። they're all ጥሩ ነው ሀበሻ ለማየት like ቀን compared to maybe በፊት ብዙ ልጆች አልነበሩም ሀበሾች like just seeing like a lot of Ethiopian kids every day, like it's a good thing. It's a good thing.
Do you think the youngsters will follow your path? Do you see some signs around you?
Yeah, it's good. A lot of the kids on like basketball no የሚጫወቱት basketball እና ኳስ ነው ትልቅ እኔ አሁን አንዳንድ ልጆች ፉትቦል ይጫወታሉ ማቀው but ብዙ basketball እና ኳስ it's better than like ላለመጫወት anything. So I'd rather have them play sport instead of ውጪ ምናምን
Yeah.
like getting into like ጥሩ ያልሆነ ነገር. It's better than that. Yeah.
Even staying at home these days is not safe because people are online.
Yeah,
online. So they play
video game ምናምን
all the time. So ምን ትላለህ ስለሱስ?
እኔም like video game በጣም አልጫወትም. It's really I try being ውጪ as much as I can. Like on like ቁጭ ለቤት ውስጥ አሁን if I have nothing ውጪ እሄዳለሁ maybe like ኳስ እመታለሁ like ከአባቴ ጋር soccer ምናምን እንጫወታለን football ወረውራለሁ. It's just better than being inside. So I think like ልጆች ለማየት it's ጥሩ ነው ልጆች ለማየት ውጪ instead of inside.
Interesting. I saw in the video that your parents are around you and your mom and your siblings. Tell me about them and their involvement in your sport.
So እነሱ they በጣም ነው የሚያገዙኝ like support አሁን ግራማ ቤት ምናምን ስሄድ ሁሌ እንጀራ አለ like ከፕራክቲስ በኋላ ከሄደው እንጀራ ምንድነው የምትፈልገው ይሰጡኛል እዚህም ቤት እንደዚህ ነው same thing ቤት አባቴ እናቴ they're always like ምግብ they support with like down like before I used to drive they used to practice ሁሌ ነው የሚወስዱኝ አንዳንዴም my aunt she used to drive me አንዳንዴ it's just really like support ነው የሚያደርጉኝ በሁሉ ነገር የሚያስፈልገኝ
ወንድሞችህስ
እነሱም ቤት ሆኜ just like joke ምናምን like ከነሱ ጋር ማውራት ከጌም በኋላ ከፕራክቲስ በኋላ it's like they're happy ለኔ በጣም happy ናቸው so it's good
ታላቅ ነህ አይደል አንተ የመጀመሪያ ነህ you are the first born
no ሁለተኛ ነህ ሁለተኛ ነህ እኔም ሁለተኛ ነኝ ግን sometimes ያንተ ታላቅ ምናምን ሲኖር ትልቅ ስትሆን እንዴት ነው physically I know and then they like jokes and that it's like it's fun like ከነሱ ጋር cuz እኔ ከነሱ የምበልጠው so it's like የነሱ ታላቅ አይደለሁም but ታላቅ ነኝ
ታላቅ ትመስላለህ
it's fun it's just ጥሩ ነው joke እናደርጋለን
nice thank you so much በጣም ደስ የሚል ጊዜ ነው ያሳለፍነው እንግዲህ ምን እንደምትመኝ ለኮሚኒቲ ለካናዳም ምን ማድረግ ነው የምትፈልገው በዚህ ሙያ in the future የሚለውን ንገረኝና we will finish
and I think just like ለሁሉ ልጆች I want to make it more like simple and more simple and accessible on sports መጀመር ፉትቦልም ካልሆነም ባስኬትቦል ኳስ ልጆች ካልገቡ make sure ልጆቻችሁ መክተት በዛ ስፖርት like after school sport like ሌላ like ያገኛችሁት football ኳስ soccer basketball everything just መግባት like try and get as much sports as you can and then when you do it like support them in anything they do that's a important thing
በጣም ነው ማመሰግነው እንግዲህ ከስምዖን አስጨናቂ ጋር የነበረን ቆይታ ይሄን ይመስላል የአዲስ ቅኝት ቴሌቪዥን የህይወት በካናዳ ተመልካቾች ስምዖን አስጨናቂ በዋተርሉ ዩኒቨርሲቲ የስኮላርሺፕ አግኝቷል የነጻ የትምህርት እድል በፉትቦል ወይም በአሜሪካን ፉትቦል በምንለው ጨዋታ እና በኢትዮጵያውያን ዘንድ ብዙ ያልተለመደ ጨዋታ ነው እንግዲህ ወደፊት መጠሪያችን ይሆናል ወደፊት መኩሪያችን እንደሚሆን እምነታችን ነው ወደፊት እንግዲህ መልካሙን ሁሉ እንዲገጥምህ እንመኛለን ስምዖን ጊዜ ሰጥተህ ወደ ፕሮግራማችን ስለመጣ በጣም አድርገን እናመሰግናለን መልካም ጊዜ ይሆንልህ thank you
እየተከታተላችሁ ያላችሁት የህይወት በካናዳ መሰናዷችንን ነው።
I guess just high school life ስትጀምሩ it's the main high school is the main last step to try and do your best to be seen like ከዩኒቨርሲቲዎች. And if you do really good in high school, coach from university and maybe a college, they'll be able to see your work ethic and that discipline, confidence, ሁሉ ነገር ያያሉ. And then ከዛ በኋላ they'll offer you if you did good enough.
ስለዚህ ራሳቸውን ለዛ ለማብቃት ጠንክሮ መስራትና ማሳየት አለባቸው ማለት ነው ችሎታቸው።
Yeah.
በጣም ነው ማመሰግነው። እንግዲህ በዚሁ ዝግጅታችንን የነበረን ቆይታ እንጨርሳለን። በሌላ ጊዜ ድጋሚ ተገናኝተን በአካል ተገናኝተን ሌላ ኢንተርቪው እንደሚኖረን ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። በጣም አመሰግናለሁ ለጊዜ።
እሺ አመሰግናለሁ።